Hello, guys. Today, did you miss Granny and me? Well, we'll rock. Today, we're gonna make medicine for Giro kasi kawawa naman siya. Sick naman siya. So, we got lettuce. We also need chicken and Caesar sauce. And we need ginger. So, I'm gonna...
That's not lettuce ako. That's malunggay.
I mean, malunggay. And so, I'm gonna wait, okay. I'm gonna talk about my dog. Why he vomiting and I don't know why he's vomiting, but he's kind of sick. So a couple days ago, when he's sick, he just throw up the medicine when we were trying to feed him the medicine. And pray for my dog in the comments. So magaling siya magaling na siya. So, Lola's trying to slice that, and I'm gonna wait here a few minutes until she's already done cutting. So, this is for my dog. So, I'm telling you about my dog. So, my dog threw up a few weeks ago, and then he pooped the blood. So pray for my dog in the comments. So he will be better now. His dog is right there. My dog is right there. Whoa, let me show you my dog. There he is. He's just there. And so again, guys, pray for my dog in the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna wait until let me pause. I'm the one who's gonna hold the camera, and I'm just holding it so it's steady. Let me hold it for a sec. Okay, let's try. Let me post it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna that wait. It's all wrapped. How am I supposed to that?
Like this yan, oh. Hindi, isa-isang, wait. Kahit di mo nadala, tanggalin yung rubber, po. Oh, ganun lang yan, pero para sa kay, kay Giro, natin sabaw. Papakain natin sa dog. No, like this, oh. Tingnan mo po, oh. Ihimay mo ng ganyan, oh. Oh. Kaya pula, isa-isa lang yan. Para sa alaga natin, papainom natin yung soup. Kasi diyan siya gumaling eh. Diba? Kagabi.
Oo.
Yun ang ginawa natin. No? Yan. Para kay, yan? Kay, tawag yan?
Giro.
Kay Giro. Para gumaling na si Giro namin. Giro. Giro.
Uy,